I don't think on purpose, is we're just taking things that is like normal everyday things in our lives and just improving, making it better. I don't know if that was on purpose or not, but if you have a place where you can put a light bulb in, right, and you do want light, but you would also love a ceiling fan that's there. First off, ceiling fans, they're expensive. They're like $300, $400, $500, $600, right? But you want the air to move. You want to be able to do that. And usually when putting those in, you need an electrician, or me, my husband, he does all the things. Welcome into the way we're going to do this simply by, if you can screw in a light bulb, you can now have a super good looking light ceiling fan. It's called the 5-speed socket ceiling fan in light, 4 blades, 5 speeds, 3 light modes, super bright. Think of any place that you would love to have this in. This is a customer pick. I'm gonna read some of those reviews in just a moment. It also has an extender, so don't worry about like, well, I have recessed lighting or anything. It's gonna work with it. This is on sale today for $44.99 and free shipping, not the several $100s you would have to pay. Chad Allen, always improving our lives. You improved my mornings this week as well with your fan that I also get ready with.
The bathroom fan, yeah.
I love that.
If you have a socket in your bathroom, you could absolutely install this. The attic, the basement, the garage, the shed, anywhere where there's a light socket, you can do that. In fact, I'm gonna flip it. You can use your normal light switches. You don't have to change the way you maneuver through your house. This one in front of me, as it just stops here, you do get a remote control with a mounting bracket. We give you the 3M tape to mount it. You don't have to use the remote control at all. Once you have the settings set, you can just use the light switch on the wall exactly like you want to. But to just show you from the very beginning, it is so easy. All you're doing is screwing in a light bulb just like this. There is no camera trick. It's not like high tech. You're not wiring. You're not hiring. There's no app on your phone. Now I just unscrewed it, screwed it back in. I flipped the light switch. It will come on that same exact way every time I flip that light switch. Even if I unscrew it and screw it back in, there's a memory built in. And then it really blows air. You have 5 different speeds of the fan and 3 different lighting modes from low, medium, and high of that light. That's 3,000 lumens of light. One thing I do want to point out from the very beginning though, when you get it home, your blades are just going to be separated. You do not need tools. You do not need anybody to come help you. All you do, it doesn't matter which one you grab, you just pop them on and then they lock and click into place. So all 4 blades lock in with 3 locking mechanisms, so you're never worried about those coming off. And then once you screw it in, you're set. If you have recessed or can lighting, we give you 2 of the extenders. So then you just screw these on and you can combine the 2 on top of each other. That's how you're gonna bring it down in those, recessed or can lighting, and depending on which situation you're in, so you can bring it down as far as you need to get the circulation you want.
Okay, my favorite thing about the reviews on this, I know you read them as well.
I do.
My favorite thing is multiple reviews said they were skeptical. They were skeptical about how bright it would be, skeptical about how much air they were gonna be, but now they're in the reviews giving it 5 stars, saying how much they love it. One person said, my son's room gets warm. There's always a room, right, in the house. Now I'm amazed at how wonderful it is in there. Skeptical, but now I recommend this to friends. So not only were you skeptical, now you're like telling everybody. Someone said, I put this in my attic. I didn't believe it would actually work, and it worked down there. Somebody said she bought 4, and she put 4 in one, kind of like an open concept room that she had it in. This is what was interesting about that, and why we don't put it in the garage, or why we don't put it in, because it would cost you so much money if you tried to put multiple fans. You're like, why don't I put a fan in the bathroom? Because 1, it's not set up for a fan, and 2, you got another $400 to put a fan in there. No.
Or maybe you're a renter. Maybe it's just a vacation rental. Maybe you actually don't own the home, and you're like, I'm not gonna pay to do all that. And I want to take it with me. You could unscrew this like a regular light bulb and take it with you. You could, honestly, you could take the blades back off from losing everything. If you really want to, you could force it and take those blades off just like that. Pop it in your luggage, take it to that vacation rental if you're unsure of your situation when you get there. What I know for certain is it's not even summer yet. Okay, in Tampa Bay, it's like 175,000 degrees. We're gonna show you some of these. We talked about this yesterday, actually. Phoenix, where Tina is from, 104 degrees.
And that's low end summer.
Guys, it's not summer yet, okay? It's gonna be one of the hottest summers I think we've ever had, as every year hits a new record. We know that. This is the time to pick these up. HSN's always above our other retailers. We move on faster than other companies for sure at HSN. And so in the market, you may see a 3-speed version. HSN has 5 speeds, 2 more above